So if we go to the middle band, first of all, the window of tolerance, the cognitive column, so the four columns go vertically and the bands go across. Cognitive column, we can be reflective, we can keep things in perspective and orient to the present. That is a really important point for today. Staying in the present. Emotionally, we can keep things proportional to the situation. You know, sometimes you react to something and it feels, you know that it's not rational, it's out of proportion. I did it fairly recently. I can't remember what it was, but I knew that my emotional response to something was not reasonable.